In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar for a group in 2025 using a new method. This is great for collaborating with teams, coordinating with family, or simply keeping everyone on the same page. Let's get started by navigating to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and heading over to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side where you'll find a section called Other Calendars. Right next to it, you'll see a little plus button. Click on that and you'll be given the option to create a new calendar. Select Create New Calendar. And this is where the fun starts because you get to personalize it. First, you'll want to give your calendar a name. This should be something that clearly represents its purpose or the group members who will be using it. For instance, Marketing Team Schedule or Family Events 2025. After you've named your calendar, you have the option to add a description. This is a helpful space where you can explain what the calendar is for or any specific guidelines group members should know. After you're happy with the name and description, go ahead and click on Create Calendar. Once your calendar is created, it's time to configure some essential settings. Click on the name of the calendar you just made to bring up its settings. Scroll down until you find the Access Permissions for Events section. Here you can decide who has access to your calendar. First, check the box that says Make Available to Public. Now, it's important to note that making a calendar public means anyone with the link can view it, but they cannot make changes unless specified. When you check this box, a warning dialog box will appear. This is just to confirm that you are indeed willing to make the calendar accessible to everyone. If that's what you want, go ahead and click OK. After doing so, click on the drop down next to Make Available to Public, where you'll choose what level of access people have. You might select See All Event Details to allow full event viewing. However, if you prefer more control over who can access the calendar, you can skip the public setting and opt for sharing the calendar specifically with people or groups. In the Shared With section, click Add People and Groups. Enter the email address of the person or group you want to invite to the calendar. Once their email is added, click on the permission drop down next to it to set their level of access. You can choose options such as See Only Free, Busy, Hide Details, See All Event Details, Make Changes to Events, or make changes and manage sharing. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the settings, click on Send to send the invitations. And that's it, your group calendar is now live and ready for collaboration. Be sure to share any relevant details with your team so they can utilize the calendar to its fullest potential. Thanks for joining me today and good luck with all your scheduling endeavors.